still very important to practice crop rotation in that space, especially if you're growing food crops. And that just helps break any disease or pest cycle that might be going on in that soil or general area, and also helps cut down on any nutrient deficiencies that you might end up causing in the soil just from growing the same thing in the same place over multiple seasons. And so basically every year you want to be switching the area that you're growing your plants, and keep in mind you don't want to be growing the same types of plants in the same area. And so for example, if you're growing watermelon in a space and you're trying to kind of rotate that crop out, don't grow another melon or another similar crop in that same space, because then you're just allowing any pests that are in the soil or any diseases in the area that might be preying on that specific species or type of plant, just easy access to that same species.